I will share how you could kind of import templates into your spaces. The the only way to do this is by starting a space with a template. That being said, when you do that, you have to kind of delete things later. So basically, what happens is if I go into a brand new space and I go to create a brand new space inside of Jira, I could browse templates and add them, right? The problem is that when you start out with a template, so for example, I'll go to JSM. I could start out with a blank space, or I could start out with an IT service management space or a general service management space, which really are just blank spaces with a bunch of little elements built on top of them and some features turned on and some features turned off. So if you're the way I like to say or pitch templates is if you're new to Jira and you don't really know how Jira is supposed to work, this is the best way to move forward because you could get a very quick idea of how Atlassian wants to use Jira and kind of set these things up like request types, work types, even automations. But then once you're familiar, I would recommend blank spaces. And to show you very specifically how these templates are set up, it's really just extra information in the settings. So, for example, inside of our IT support space, it's really toggling on and off certain features. You have your journeys, your service requests, incidents, problems, things that are relevant to IT that would be turned off for like customer support. You have your alerting if you wanted that. You have your playbooks, your space summaries. Those types of things would be toggled on and off, which you could always toggle on or off later. Then they'll pre-create some requests for you, things like asking questions, requesting new equipment, new hardware, incidents. So the way that templates really work fundamentally inside of Jira is that they give you the blank space with a bunch of little extra stuff built on top of it. So feel free to explore that. But once you're generally familiar with how templates in Jira work, start blank and you could build on top of it. Otherwise, you're going to be going through and just deleting a bunch of this stuff later. Like if I built this template up and I'm like, okay, well, I don't need request a new notebook. I don't need request Office VPN and Wi-Fi. Then I'm just going through and cleaning stuff up and deleting it when I could have just started blank instead. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot. And if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.